Hindi na umabot.
Cramps eh.
Oo, nakita nga kita kanina eh. Grabe, no?
Now walk it out, 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 now walk it out.
Yung pinilit mo humabol, doon ka nag-cramps, no? Sa may ano yung going ano yun eh, Yokohama. Nakita nga kita nun.
Sayang eh, naidikit ka na eh.
Oo, gandang sabi ko na, idikit mo na, tapos pag ano na, nakita kita nag-cramps ka na. Eksaktong pagka-U-turn, di ba? Ayan, nasugat? Nasugat yung kamay mo?
Doing great, boys. You're still in the race. Keep it up.
Kung ano?
We are
Tingnan natin. Grabe ah.
That was 100 kilometers that just did so far. So we're going to be seeing them coming across the finish line, determining who our champion is for today. Nakikita na po natin kung sino ang ating champion sa nating mga peloton in a very short while. We got Arnel T, the congressman and the visionary of the LPGMA Tours.